Hey there, 2019 Triangle Metro Banquet table host, your Metro Director, Jay Vaverka, and I just want to talk with you a little bit about the event that's coming up on Tuesday, November 12th at 6:30 over in the Expo building. We're so excited for our banquet this year. Can't wait to celebrate all that God has done through FCA in 2019. Phil Ford, Tar Heel legend, is going to be joining us, sharing his testimony, so it's going to be a great night, and we can't wait to see you there. As you're preparing for that night, you're likely inviting folks to come and join you at your table, and we want to just offer you some encouragement as to how to go about doing that. There are some key things that we want to communicate. First, the goal of the event is to see the Triangle community partner together to invest in the mission of FCA. There's two key words in that goal. The first is invest. It is a financial event, right? We're asking folks to come and give to see the gospel go to coaches and athletes across the Triangle. Secondly, it's this word partner. A lot of folks can write a check, and we're grateful for every dollar that we receive, and however that comes to us. But our heart is to see folks at that event who really get it, right? They get the mission. They're passionate about seeing the gospel go to coaches and athletes, and they're writing a check, they're committing funds because their heart is in it, and they want to invest. So invest and partner are two key words that we use a lot. So as you're inviting folks to come, I want to just outline what a profile of a potential guest might look like. All right. First, it's someone you already know, someone in your sphere of influence. Secondly, it's someone who likely professes faith in Jesus Christ and is committed to his mission. Thirdly, it's someone that has an athletic background or at least loves sports and recognizes that sports has a tremendous influence in our culture today. Fourth, it's someone that likely has a heart for the Triangle area. Maybe they're a UNC fan, and they might be someone who would be interested in coming to hear Phil's story. And then last, again, this idea of invest. It's someone that has a heart and a capacity to give toward the ministry. So as you're preparing to invite folks and you're getting those invitations out, I want to ask you to pray for a few things. First, pray and ask the Lord who fits that profile. Is it a neighbor? Is it someone from work? Is it someone from your church or your family? Is it someone from the gym or a professional or business network? Make a list of sort of the top candidates that fall into that category, that fit that profile, and begin praying for those individuals and the opportunity to ask them. I want to ask you to ask them, right? To actually make an ask, to stand in front of them personally, face to face, and invite them to be a part of this event. That's the best way to communicate what this event means to you. If a face-to-face conversation is not an option, you can make a phone call, you can send a text, any of those things will work. And then for those that say yes, we want to encourage you to pray for them, that as the event approaches, that they would come to the event with a generous, sacrificial, and joyful heart. Today we're going to be sending you some resources to help you do this. We'll send you the invite again. We'll send you our 2019 FCA Ministry Report, and we'll send you a little infographic called the God Ask, which helps us just sort of summarize and walk through this idea of inviting people to be a part of what we're doing at FCA. So we hope that's helpful to you. Thank you again for all that you're doing. Can't wait to see you in November. God bless.